What's the difference between a brown and a blue inhaler? Brown inhalers are usually preventers. Preventer inhalers will never be blue. They can take several weeks to start working and you need to take them every day. They help reduce inflammation and help to protect you from triggers. This means that you can sleep better, you can use your blue inhaler less, and you can be more active during the day. Your reliever inhaler will be blue. They come in different shapes and sizes, and the medicine relaxes and widens the muscles of the airways, making it easier to breathe. You should carry your blue reliever inhaler and spacer at all times in case of an emergency. If you're using your blue inhaler more than 2 times a week, then you should speak to a doctor or asthma nurse for a review. Do me a favor and send this video to someone who might benefit from it.